Wally, do you want to play with your ball? Do you want to play with your ball? Yeah? As you can see, we actually have to keep his ball up here because he gets so excited and he will play with this until he cannot breathe anymore. So we've had this for a while. It is his favorite, and we were just sent 2 of the same but kind of different balls. So they're like this. So this one is like the one we have, but it is smaller. And check this out. It as it's rolling, hold on. It makes all this noise, but then look, he's going crazy. So this is smaller. We have that big one. And then we also have this one, which has got these little grips on here, which is really cool. I've never seen this one before. So we're going to go ahead and give him this one before, look at him. He's so excited. Ready, buddy? Go get it. Good. So he will literally play with this for hours. He likes to play in the shade, and then he'll bring it. There's a little bit of a slope here. He'll run around and play with it. He shakes it. I love that even though it doesn't matter the size, even the big one, he's able to grip it. It's really hard, so it's not going to break. Super durable, because as you can see, he's super rough with it. He is absolutely insane. Loves this ball so much. I've never seen him play with another toy the way he plays with these kinds of balls.